This is what it says. Do not run or jog. 18, this is a warning.
Really? Is it that bad?
Apparently it's pretty dangerous. Look at that. Lighthouse trail warning. It looks pretty dangerous to me. Look at your pretty self. Sweating over there. Like a grown girl. Like a big girl. Harley Ray, I'm gonna make you famous.
I'm making her famous.
We're gonna put you on YouTube. You know when Frodo and Samwise Gamgee, they're like standing and the movie ends and it's like they see Mordor? That's how I feel right now. We're almost there.
We're not almost there.
Look at that.
Look at his sleeves. Who wears their sleeves like that? Like, why don't you just wear a tank, right?
You're looking at me, I have my watch
Like,
here.
come on. Like, what is he doing? Look at him.
You want me to take my shirt off? I'll take
Looks
my
like
shirt
a goon. There's his little purse dog. He's looking good.
He's a half bulldog, baby.
Looking good today. He thinks there's rattlesnakes everywhere, and there's not.
I want to catch him.
There's no rattlesnakes.
Take it home with his TV.
Yeah, he wants a rattlesnake.
Put it with a rocket.
That sounds like a good idea, doesn't it? Yeah.
That was like the biggest river we have came across with. Oh, so much water.
We're not going over there, I guarantee you.
Well, we are.
No, we're not.
We're climbing.
One eternity later.
We made it. Right, baby?
What?
I made it to the top. It's pretty good. It's a nice little place. It's beautiful up here. Let's see if JC wants to come up here. I don't know if she'll want to, but I think she would. There you go, Chewini. Look at you. There you go, Chewini. Baby, is this real hiking yet?
Yeah, this is.
There you go.
Be careful, you can fall and die.
You can sit here. Beautiful. I ran all the way down there. Everything we just walked. I'm like, JC has to see this.
He looks like he loves me. What?
You want to go?
Yeah, let's go. Ow! Ah! Ah! Ah!
What?
Sorry, there's a bug on me. Now this reminds me of holes.
Maybe I'm not gonna let you fall. It's like supposed to be like a dangerous trail because it gets really hot down there.
It does, and it was only 70 today, and down here it was 86.
Yeah, it felt really hot too.
It's like, yeah.
It like adds up another 10, 15
Oh,
degrees.
more than that, yeah.
So this is our first hike. Yeah, Palo Duro. Palo Duro Canyon. And Harley,
Smoking a turd.